Hello and welcome back to my channel, lovely viewers. Today we're diving into the world of flavors with a mouth-watering dish, savory garlic chicken wings paired with cumin potatoes. Let's jump right in. First, let's prep those chicken wings, give them a good rinse, cut them in half, and toss them into a bowl. Now, for the magic marinade, we're talking minced garlic, a splash of cooking wine, a drizzle of light soy sauce, a hint of dark soy sauce, a pinch of white pepper, a dash of salt, and just a touch of sugar. Mix it all up and let those chicken wings soak up that goodness for about 30 minutes. While our wings are soaking up those flavors, let's work on those potatoes. Peel them and cut them into stripes. A light coating of cooking oil and into the air fryer they go, set at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Don't forget to flip them halfway through and give them an extra 10 minutes to get that perfect crispiness. Now it's time to bring our marinated chicken wings to life. Heat up your pan over medium-low heat and gently pan fry the wings until they're kissed with a golden hue. Pour in that marinade sauce and give them a good toss until they're coated in deliciousness. Those perfectly air-fried potatoes join the party now. Toss them in and give it all a quick stir. To amp up the flavor, a touch of pepper salt powder and a generous sprinkle of aromatic cumin powder. Finish it off with a shower of toasted sesame seeds and a sprinkle of freshly chopped green onions. Stir it all together until every bite is packed with flavor. And there you have it, folks. Our savory garlic chicken wings with cumin potatoes are ready to delight your taste buds. I encourage you to give this recipe a whirl and share your thoughts with me. Your feedback means the world. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy cooking!